Throw it into altitude hold.
So what are you starting in?
Starting at 0.175 P term in stabilized mode.
Well, one question, but it's not changed for stabilized, is it?
No, it's for...
No, it's in stabilized mode.
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Those mean two different things. That's not stabilized
I don't
mode.
know what this stabilized necessarily means, but I think he's right. It doesn't directly relate to...
I want to try to not be in the sun here.
Okay.
Good plan.
So tell me when you change.
Alright.
And maybe if you get it that way a little, we can see easier from the, more of a side view.
Alright, going down.
In what? On P terms?
Yeah.
See, what is that?
That's low.
Does it look smoother? It looks smoother a little
Yeah,
bit.
it does.
But now it's crappy again.
I think there's an air current up there.
But what mode are you in?
I'm in stabilized still. Alright, this is altitude hold. We are all the way down with that P curve.
So that's 0.15.
Yeah.
And now what happens when you go up?
This is all the way up.
Yeah, you can hear it.
So all the way up should be 0.2.
Alright, back in stabilized, still at 0.2. Yeah, I don't like that.
Wind
Alright, back down with the P curve.
Okay.
Seems to be a lot better.
And you're still in stabilized mode.
Yup. I did shift to altitude hold again. Does seem to fly better and stabilize with the low P curve.
Okay. Let's land it real quick.
Is this a manual landing?
No, this is, I just hit landing.
And you're still like fully low on the
Fully
thing.
low.
Okay, good.